Hello students, these are the next 3 exercises from the chapter number 14 after completion of compound consonants and its short forms. These are the exercises number 109, 110, 111. Let's start with exercise number 109 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. The bearer of this note, Mr. James White, is a close personal friend of mine. He is traveling to Canada and he will be in Glasgow for a few days before sailing. I want Mr. White to meet you, for I know that you will be glad to number him among your acquaintances. For this reason, I do not feel that I am imposing on your kindness in asking you to show Mr. White some of the important sights of the city. I think that you and he should find yourselves fully in accord on most subjects. You have always been in sympathy with our child training campaign, by which we try to put as many children as possible in camp for a few weeks each summer. Our campaign has now started again, and we enclose a book of seals. These stamps cost you only 3 by 6. As you know, these children are cared for by counselors who give their services free, and every penny collected in our campaign is spent on the children. Next is exercise number 110 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, we have received a request for a quotation on a large quantity of newsprint paper, but it is impossible for us to supply the paper from our own mills because we cannot make it up on rollers as is called for in the inquiry. We know that you have the equipment for making very large quantities of this type of paper quickly if necessary, and we should be glad if you would quote your best trade terms per £100 for paper delivered exactly according to the attached specifications. As we wish to reply to the inquiry as quickly as possible, it is important that we receive your quotation by return mail. Very truly yours. Next is exercise number 111 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Sir, we were especially pleased to receive your inquiry, and we are glad to have the opportunity to tell you something about our new and improved water heater. It is described fully in the enclosed circular. However, if the circular does not give you all the information you require, please write to us again and we shall be glad to give you additional information on any particular points. We do not know whether you wish to use gas or oil, but you will note that the price is the same for either type. This heater has been so greatly improved that the saving in the cost of operation is anywhere from a quarter to a half of the former cost. These heaters are now on display by dealers everywhere throughout the country, and we suggest that you inspect them at the first opportunity. Your local dealer would be glad to tell you which heater would be adequate for your requirements, for it is important to have the right size. He would be glad to give you also particulars of the cost of installation. We have returned the stamps which you enclosed with your inquiry. Very truly yours. So these are the next three exercises from the chapter number 14 compound consonants. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. शेयर, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.